Hello friends, this is Dr. Shilpa Gamande. Here we will discuss in this video about the drum dryer, which is also called as a roller dryer, or it is also called as the film dryer. Now what is the principle of this drum dryer? In this drum dryer, this dryer or the drum is going to heat with the help of the steam by the conduction process. So we can say that it is a conduction dryer. It is a conduction dryer where heating element is a steam, and that steam is provided to the to that drum, and with the help of that drum, with that heated drum, the material is going to be dried. So in this drum dryer, it is heated hollow cylindrical drum. It is going to rotate on its longitudinal axis, and this drum it is dipped in the solution of the substance of the solution to be dried. The solution it is carried as a film. This solution it is carried as a film on the drum surface, right, of the dryer, and dried to form a thin layer or thin film. Therefore the name it is given film dryer or the drum dryer or the roller dryer, right? And then this dried material is going to be removed with the help of the knife. So basic principle, that is it is a conduction type of a dryer where the steam is going to heat that drum. Now this is what the construction. Now you can see here, this is a pan where the solution to be dried is kept. This is a drum, right? So this drum it is 0.6 to 3 meters in diameter and 0.6 to 4 meter in length. This is the size of this hollow steel drum or any metallic drum, because metals are the good conductors. So this drum it may be of any metal. So it is mounted horizontally. You can see here, right? This is a spreader. The solution is going to spread with the help of this spreader on this complete drum, and then from here the steam is going to be heated drum. This steam is going to be heat the surface of the drum, and this is a liquid film. With the help of the steam, this liquid film is going to be dry, and see, in this way the film will form, a dried film will be there, and with the help of a docked knife or a knife, this film is going to be removed. This is what the construction of this drum. Right below the drum, the feed pan is there. In this pan, what we can say, the solution it is, or the feed is placed, and this is a spreader, and here the storage bin is placed, right? So this is what the construction. Now working, in this case the steam is passed inside the drum. In case of the working, drum rotates with the speed of 1 to 10 rotation per minute. So see, this is it rotates very slowly. You can imagine ki in 1 minute 1 to 10 rotations are there. The liquid present in the feed, that in feed pan, it adheres to the surface of the drum. You can see here the liquid which is present in this pan is going to adhere. यहाँ पे adhere होगा, और यहाँ पे with the help of the spreader, जैसे जैसे ये rotate हो जाएगा drum, वैसे वैसे that liquid is going to be sprayed on this drum, and due to the heat inside this drum, the material starts drying and there will be formation of the film. So the liquid present in the feed pan adheres to the surface of the drum, and then material is drying during the rotation of the drum, and it is collected in the storage bin by using the knife. Now as the contact time is very less, near about only 6 to 15 seconds, drying completes. The process of the drying it completes in less than one cycle, and the time of contact it is very less, that is 6 to 15 seconds. So we can use it for the thermolabile substance. So what are the uses? You can see here कि drum dryer, they are used for drying solutions, slurries, suspensions, etc. And this product dried are milk products, right? The products which are dried here, they are milk products, starch products, ferrous salts, suspensions of zinc oxide, suspensions of kaolin, yeast, pigments, malt extracts, then antibiotics, glandular extracts, insecticides, DDT, calcium and bicarbonate, calcium and barium carbonates. These are the various products for drying of these products we can use this drum dryer, right? So what are the advantages? कि in this drum dryer drying time is less, so we can use it for the heat sensitive or thermolabile substances. It occupies very less space as it is compact in nature, right, compared to the spray dryer. Then it forms a very thin film on the surface of the drum, so heating surface area is more, so heat transfer and mass transfer is very high, right, and the product it is obtained, it is going to be dried completely, right, it is in the final form. The only the what we can say disadvantages are that maintenance cost of the drum dryer is higher. Maintenance cost it is higher. Skilled operators are required for feed rate. You have to maintain the feed rate and the film thickness. Otherwise there may be chances ki very thin film will be there, or there may be chance of the burning of the substance. ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. प्रॉपर फिल्म थिकनेस जो है वो मेंटेन रहनी चाहिए. वो कब मेंटेन रहेगी? व्हेन यू विल मेंटेन द स्पीड ऑफ रोटेशन and feed rate. So feed rate, temperature of the drum, film thickness and this we can say speed of rotation, this should be maintained properly, then only the drying process will be a proper one. So for this purpose you need the skilled operator. This is the disadvantage. And again what we can say, the next disadvantage is that ki skilled operation these things are what we can say operators they are needed, and it is not suitable for the solutions of salts with less solubility. These drum dryers they are not suitable for solutions of the salts with less solubility. ऐसे salt जिनकी solubility कम है ऐसे solution के लिए, because that solubility नहीं है तो वो drum को adhere ही नहीं होंगे. Getting my point? And they are not going to dry. So salts having less solubility it is not suitable for the drum dryer. So this is what the disadvantages of the drum dryer. So if you like this video, please do like and share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.